Now, in this video, I want to share with you something that I get asked a lot. In fact, it's probably one of the most common questions when it comes to earning a passive income with EMP.money. So there's something particular in this video that I really want you to focus on, because this is going to help you out a lot if you've been wondering the same. So let's talk about what this thing is. It's all to do with staking more liquidity at any time. I'm sure over time you will probably want to increase how much you got staked, which obviously will earn you more passive income. So let's talk about that in particular, because there's one thing that I really do want you to understand. So first things first, you can add more liquidity at any time, but there is, as I say, one important thing to know. Now, as you know, anything that we stake in the farm, we get paid in eShare, don't we? However, here's what I want you to understand. When you deposit further liquidity into the farm, you may already have some eShare that you've earned, but when you add more liquidity, that eShare automatically gets claimed for you and gets sent to your MetaMask wallet. And quite a lot of people freak out when they see this, because they add more liquidity to the farm and then they notice that their eShare has gone to zero. They're like, well, hang on, I had some money there, where is it? And they freak out, and I get asked, as I say, this question a lot. What's happened? Have I lost it? No, you haven't lost it at all. This is just how these protocols work. When you deposit further into the farm, if you had any interest waiting for you in eShare, it automatically gets claimed, is the proper term, and gets sent to your MetaMask. So it's totally safe. You've got it there. You've got nothing to worry about. And that's what I wanted you to know. So we'll go and look at that, and we'll go and take a look at that in a second. But just to be 100% clear, because as I say, I get a ton of questions about this. So moving forward, you probably will want to stake more. Well, you will want to stake more for sure. So when you stake more, you can add more LP at any time to the farm. That's no problem. You just zap, as we've already been through. However, when you do, if you have any eShare that you've already earned that's sitting for you, that you can see there, that is automatically claimed for you and it's sent into your MetaMask, okay? And the reason I wanted to flag this up is because what that means is when you stake in the farm, your earned eShare automatically gets sent to your MetaMask, thereby showing a zero balance of eShare at EMP.money. And this is why people freak out. They think, I had some, now it's zero. No, you still have it. It's just now not in EMP.money. It's now in your MetaMask. Let's go and do this. Let me show you. So let's jump back to EMP.money. Okay, and here I am. And firstly, let me click on Mr. MetaMask head and show you my eShare balance in my MetaMask. Zero. Okay, so zero there at the moment. Let's click away. Now here I am in the farm, and you'll see here that I've got, I mean, it's only a small amount, but I have got a little bit waiting for me here, 66 cents, literally a tiny amount, but that's not the point. The point is the process. So I already have some that I've earned. Here is my actual farm. Here's how much I got staked, only a small amount, but let's stake a little bit more. And then you'll see this zero, and then you'll see it in my MetaMask. So let's go and do that. So I'm going to click on the Zap feature. I'm going to take it out of my BNB. I'm going to add 0.2 BNB. So let me do that. So I'm going to click Zap. Mr. MetaMask opens, asking to confirm. Let's click on Confirm. MetaMask opens for a second time. Let's click on Confirm again. And now, at the top here, it says the staking process is taking place. This will go up in a second. Just watch this figure here. It's currently 1.2 I've got staked, 1.2 liquidity tokens. In a second that will increase. There we go, it's increased. But look, eShare has now zeroed. That's what I wanted to share with you in this video. So as soon as we add to our liquidity, eShare is automatically claimed. And as I said, nothing to worry about. Where is it? Well, we know, don't we? It's in MetaMask. If I go back to MetaMask, look, or click on my assets, look, I've now got a little bit of eShare in my assets in MetaMask. So, as I say, I get asked about this a lot. You haven't lost it. Every time you add to your farm, your eShare earned gets automatically claimed and added to your MetaMask. Okay, good. So let's summarize. And what did we accomplish in this video? Well, we understood that when we stake in the farm, if we have any earned eShare, that eShare is automatically claimed and sent to MetaMask. So we now get that. Great. 1%. You're getting 1% better every day. So what do you do now? Well, again, nothing for you to do right now. There are still a few more things that I want you to be aware of, this being one of them. So let's continue with these. See you in the next video.